Hey, it's Natasha with Great American Ink, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Great American NTA Push-to-Connect Fitting Kit. Perfect for the mobile mechanic, this kit comes with 53 pieces and 24 different part numbers of the most common in-cab and air brake applications. Great American Ink perfectly tailored and organized these fittings in a Milwaukee Tool Packout organizer to help you stay organized and simplify your workflow, whether you're on site, in a workshop, or on the road. Designed for convenience, each fitting securely snaps into place, ensuring quick and hassle-free connections every time. With competitive pricing, no matter the job, trust Great American Ink to provide the solutions for all your needs.